Hi guys, in this session we'll learn about magic tools and magic movie wizard. This is an interesting tool to make beautiful video outputs. We'll check over the tool link. Here is the one. Here is a magic movie wizard tool available. What we do now is we'll try to add few of the images to our timeline. Think these are my memories and I'm gonna create a video with my memories images. So I'll just drag and select all these images and I'll go to magic movie wizard and go to the icon, and here is the icon. I'll select a magic movie wizard. So once I selected, you can see three options here. Either I can select the entire media library to create a video output, or the timeline, or the selected items. What I did now is I had selected few of the clips, so I'm going to make all those images as a video. So I'll click the last option, click on next. Here is the important part. I can select any of the predefined template, memory field, or original or final fast motion or anything. It depends upon you. And here you can see the download option. You can download other templates also. Here, as I'm going to create a memory, I just selected that one and clicking next. In this area, we can select the background music. We can add a background music here. If you don't add, we have predefined music already over there. And here you can see the output length, and then you can click on next. That's it, we are done. So the output is ready. We can just view it. So that's it. Now we'll try to create an output of this. So go to production. We can here you can get a message. It will overwrite the existing clips which you have. You just click on OK. So we can see the output here. Now all those three images we added, it will overwrite it with that memory template. So now we'll click on produce. And we'll try to create an output. Here you can see the variety of option, AVI, MPG to XAVC, and here AVC is the most commonly used by me. So I'll just select the option here. I just selected it, and MP4 media format. And now you can see you can even set the quality of the video here. And now I'll just select my output folder. I'll just create the output in my desktop. I'll just give a name of here my first project, anything which you like to give. So just save it. We'll produce the video now. Click on start. It may take a little of time. So it's done. Now we'll just go and check the output. We'll minimize the PowerDirector window. We can see our output here. We'll just play and see how does it do. interesting video within seconds with a few memory images. Thank you.